Use Ryomen Sukuna's strength, but
Right
have to
foot, two
dance the
stumps.
cha-cha for 1 hour.
Left foot, 2 stumps. Slide to the left. Slide to the right.
Gain Tanjiro's sun-breathing techniques, but each use shortens your lifespan by a year. Use Megumi's 10 Shadows technique, but the first person you share this video with will have to fight Mahoraga. Get Levi's Riz, but only if you like and subscribe. Acquire Kirito's dual blades, but every attack causes you to temporarily swap voices with someone nearby. Get any Shinigami's Bankai, but you have to tell us who and why in the comments.